everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I make my wig using the Outre Jamaican beach wave. The one pack does all. It does come with a closure, and for this method or this type of wig, I'm going to be doing the glue gun method. So I got my glue gun and glue sticks from my local dollar store, and this is my first time doing the glue gun method on a wig. So I did watch a YouTube video before just to see what it would look like. And the wig does come with a 16, an 18, a 20, and a 22 inches of hair. That didn't make sense the way I said it. And I said, as I said before, closure as well. So I'm starting off with the first bundle, and what I'm doing is basically measuring either from ear to ear or wherever you want your bundles to start, cutting it and then gluing it to my wig cap. I initially made a mistake. I put my wig cap directly on my mannequin when I should have put a barrier between the wig cap and the mannequin. So that I would recommend, if you are doing the glue gun method, is to put a barrier between your wig cap and your mannequin so it does not get stuck. So if you're ever worried about where you should start gluing your tracks, you just pretty much put it where you're comfortable with. For me personally, I don't like when the wefts touch my ear when I'm wearing a full wig with the closure. So I tend to put the tracks at the back, right at the rim of the wig cap, and then as I get closer to the top, I put it away from the rim. Also, a mistake I made was gluing the tracks too close to each other, so I ended up taking out this last track that you see me gluing in and sewing it actually right underneath the closure at the top of the wig, just to hide the gaps that I did have from not quote unquote having enough hair. Follow me or don't follow me, because this is what you do not do, especially for this hair, is glue your tracks too close to each other. I overlapped my tracks closer to the back and started spacing them up closer to the top when I realized I might not have enough hair. But take this from me, do not glue your tracks too close to each other. This is what one bundle looks like, or approximately one bundle. I kind of lost track at this point, but yes, this is approximately what one bundle looks like. And as you can see, I did glue my tracks closer to the top of the wig because that's just how I like my wigs. I like it layered based on the tracks. I don't like when they're too far or too close from each other, because if it's too far, you might end up into issues when gluing your closure on, and if it's too close to each other, I don't know what I was gonna say, but yeah. I remember if it's too close to each other, you may not have enough hair to get right underneath your closure where you need it to be seamless. So when you do comb your closure down, it's not thin and you're not just seeing the wig cap. came with the wig, but we are going to make it work. Apparently it is a silk base closure. I've never felt an actual closure, but this one didn't feel too bad. For a synthetic wig and a thin closure, it didn't feel horrible. It wasn't stiff, it wasn't hard to move, it wasn't hard to maneuver, so it was great. So I pinned the hair so it doesn't get frizzy or anything with a butterfly clip, and then I'm going to be using a wig needle to put my hair into place. And I'm not going to sew my closure down. I got this idea from Brilliant Beauty on YouTube, and I'm just gonna get into it and use a glue gun, since we are doing the glue gun method for making this wig. So I'm using a glue gun to secure my closure. And if you're worried about the glue getting all over your wig, there's no need to worry. If you've used the glue gun before, you know it dries and it's easy to peel. So any glue residue that's left in your wig can be either taken out with a fine tooth comb, or you can just use your finger and pull away the pieces of glue that are stuck in your wig anywhere that it might have gotten during the process. But there's no need to worry if glue gets anywhere near your wig. Is where I kind of realized I effed up a little bit, because I think I was on starting bundle number 4, and you see how much space I have left. So closer to the top I had to start cutting tracks and putting it in certain places to see if I can fill the gaps, but it somewhat ended up working out, but I still ended up taking out a track at the back and then just sewing it in. She looks like, and I love it. 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 I didn't think it would turn out well. I'm so used to buying wigs, and I didn't have much faith in this one pack does all thing, but the hair feels the same as a regular synthetic wig, and it turned out really well. I really like it, and it was definitely worth the price. It was on sale for $27, so it's definitely a steal. Anyways, so this is pretty much the wig. Hey Google, pause music. So this is pretty much the wig. I believe it was 22 inches. My hair isn't braided down or anything, so I haven't been able to conceal the part or do anything like that to it. But honestly, I'm loving the color. Like, I've been afraid to do color in my hair because it's just not me and I'm a simple person or whatever. but I'm loving the color, and I think I might do the same color again in a different style, but I'm gonna do the voiceover and all that stuff or whatever. And this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm gonna be coming out with another video very soon, with me, my makeup and everything done, styling the wig and blah blah blah, and I'll let you guys know how I like it in the next video. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.